Hey fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So today I'm here to share with you how I made this DIY curling cream. You can also use it as a twist out, so I call it a curling and twist cream. And this is a very great DIY that you can do for yourself if you don't have a curling cream or you don't have money to buy a curling cream. So if this is something you're interested in, do stay tuned and just watch this. So for this you would need a leave-in conditioner, and then you would also need a gel. Now I'm using Equistyler gel because it's a favorite gel that I like, and I'm also using a curling custard by from Cocoa Black Naturals. Now what I do is to take some amount of the leave-in conditioner, and you have to make sure that it is a leave-in conditioning cream, not a lotion, because this is something creamy that we are making. So you need a leave-in conditioning cream and not a lotion. So just to your preference or to the amount that you want to make, you add more of a leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner should be more, and then you add a little amount of gel. Now the gel that you will add, or the amount of the gel that you add, will depend on how you want the gel, or how you want the product to define your hair or its curl definition properties. So the more gel you use, the more definition properties your product will have. So the next thing I'm adding is the Cocoa Black Naturals curling custard. Now this is a very great curling custard that has the ability to define even the coiliest 4C hair, and this has a very strong hold, I must say. And so if you are adding this particular product, you do not need to add a lot unless you want your curling custard to have a stronger hold as well. So I decided not to add that much, and because of the color, it did change the whole color of my curling custard. So the more of the curling custard you add, the more hold your product will have. This curling custard has more hold than the gel, and so yeah, that is it. So what I do next is to make sure that I mixed the whole, like the products together, and you would have this creamy textured product. So this is the curling cream. So I just want to demonstrate to you how I use this curling cream on my hair. And what I do is to spritz my hair, or make sure that I moisturize my hair and that my hair is damp, and then I go ahead to detangle and add the curling cream. Now when you add a curling cream, you use your hand, or you rake it through with your hand, and you add more and more products until you see that the curls are becoming defined. And you would realize that when you put a product in your hand and you start defining with your hand, you see some curls coming up. That is how you go about to use this product in your hair. And it's more like using the wash and go technique. You can use the wash and go technique to get this to define your curls. Now this product, aside getting it to use as a wash and go, you can also use it as a twist out. And aside using it like this, I'm also going to be sharing a video of how I use this as a twist out next week. So do stay tuned, and do come back to this channel for more amazing DIY videos from me. And that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So next week, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I will take down this twist. So I hope that you do come back, you do visit the channel for more amazing videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys next week. And don't forget to come check out this twist out video, because the twist out was bomb, guys. It was great, it had hold, and I really loved it. Bye.